Hey guys, Mo here. Real quick, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to change the account, sku-scraper account from US to Germany. As you guys know, we recently launched the new support for eBay Germany and the German marketplace. Currently, Amazon is the only supplier supported for eBay Germany. And yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, we added a new drop down menu right here. If I click it, I can see US and DE. If I click on DE, the DE stands for Germany. As you can see, the site has changed to DE. You might get a warning saying you need to ask for permission to do this. Just send me a quick message through the in-app messenger and I will give you the access. So a few things about it. Right now, the software will only scrape eBay Germany. Only German sellers on the ebay.de, and everything I will list through the listers will be listed in ebay.de and not ebay.com. It will be listed in euros and not dollars. So if I go here and click on the monitor, it will show me only items listed currently in ebay.de and not eBay US. That way you can operate two stores or one store but in two marketplaces by changing and switching back to the US and the DE as you want. Yeah, so that's it guys. One last quick announcement. I am going to start a new store in eBay Germany, and the goal I set to myself is 3K in profit a month, and I'm planning to achieve that goal in 3 months, hopefully. And the good thing is I'm about to document the whole process for you guys from beginning to the end, and I will give you guys some tips as I go. I will show you how I use the software to find the best items and list them. I will show you, I think I will do one video a week or one video in 2 weeks or as I feel like it, and I will show you the profits as I make them. And yeah, so if you think that will be valuable, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and be sure to follow up as the videos come out. So yeah guys, that's it for now. Happy scraping, and I'll see you guys.